Jersey Mike's. That's what we do.
Yeah, baby.
Il est 7h du matin. Faut se réveiller. Oh, je sommeille. Bon alors, un peu de musique pour se mettre en train. Je sais pas moi, quelque chose comme Talking about my generation. Ouais, c'est pas tout à fait ça. Je trouve plus ma brosse à dents. Quelle passée celle-là encore. La bleue est à mon père. La rouge est...
Ok, time it, not yet. Okay, time it.
Yay! Jacob! So...
Talk to me. Yeah, we're at the air show. It's cold as balls over here. You tell me, dude. We're gonna chill at the beach, watch the air show. We're gonna do Owen's hot tub, and then we're gonna go have dinner and go to Joey's party. And you're not invited to any of it. Yeah, if you want to come to the beach and just kind of do misery with us.
What the heck?
Yeah, you can.
It's so wet.
like over 50%. Like I got hit with an easy up. Yeah, I absolutely. Like I went into like crouch position. I'm holding my food and then just like brace with the elbow and it like rolled over me. Yeah. It got pretty wild out here for a while.
Oh my god.
I think he's hilarious. And I love him a lot. Go full tilt.
Best performance by a plane.
Yeah, that was crazy.
What was?
What was the best performance by a plane?
Well, that's
Lots of thunderbirds, maybe.
What was your favorite? What was your favorite performance, Carly?
like 407. Or no, wait.
The one with her dad.
No, it wasn't 407.
Come on, come on. Name the plane. Make up a name of. What do you think any one of those planes is called? Like the scientific name.
Scientific
Yeah,
name,
you know.
I don't know.
I know what I'm talking about. For example, Thunderbird.
That's the only one
Give me
I know.
another name
That
of
was
what
the
might be. What else might?
The FedEx one.
Okay, not some of that someone just said.
Those are the only
Just come up,
names
just
I know.
any name. Just we need one more name. It doesn't have to be real.
Almost like laundry bag, like net sack, and he like throws soap on it and then he's waving it around and then it fully fills up and it's this huge like tube full of bubbles and then like you're laying there and then he just like goes and he's like and like wrings it out and then all the bubbles are on your back and then he just like kind of lathers you up. Then you get out, you get a little glass of Iran and some tea. It's kind of like, I don't even know what it is, salty kefir drink. Kind of nasty, but I like it. Yeah, then they give you like a bunch of thick towels, like It's like you're just like literally bundled up, so many towels, drinking this gross milk.
Yeah, I would like that.
Is it like separated girls and guys? Or is
Yeah.
it for sure?